Subscribe to Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV. Subscribe. CCR.
Ajoba TV. Challenge your boy.
Your chief for your chat on the bar Ajoba TV. YouTube. Ati ase Nesuna na ke Mwishia superstar ba you be din komo. Ebe wura na bra bom. Bobi was 33 year. Anybody wa kuduru. Any 2020 nipa wunu mo de den odeba ati ase na me anka se fm na ke subscribe to my YouTube no ade kokko na wase ni me aso na be kana na ke abusua no ho be ka Ajoba TV abusua no ho bra panyini
nana
ishe ya che
pa long time
ishe we woni
scanner bente jade awogat
da is come my wona no is come kai se me ba wo set so na utwa nyon clip.
Yeah, Ajibia.
Yeah. Gomba me he the directors you mugusu ne as directors in kwase 3 the maye di wachi makeup artist ne want to say kakra wa ho.
Ai we na mbu ai say we na no say ya kan ka ba kan ai say wono we more than NGO you understand.
Yeah. What you say? Na bra panyini udi ankasa de say.
From a permanent
wankasa udi ankasa shadaka
me di ankasa do ye hunti na mbiso de permanent e pamanyim na de pe
me say fra Edward Sa nti no udi ankasa shadaka mu
from Kobena Nyeku but nipping now from Edward Sa but yami adoma no onam me ya ka ho mimutu hunti na de officially ne ye minister anya de bia na ka the title and go for the to do the minister because of to but yen yakọ Bible school na dia ye ordained minister ankasa
this ye kase Edward Sa udi ba ko de min dimi mo
ko bi nye ku mo
min dimi mo ye ndi ye kase Edward Sa o start school free hifa ne like wadi mfi say
okay me start school ewo Kobida mankesim ni chiwobi bofan anyemem when I started that is from nursery to class 2
okay
and I'm a deba mankesim ha
okay
nti meba mankesim no miwe DHS and I'm a call Asimanso senior high amas nti yewe ni yedo Ghana Christian University College we had chance yedo Bible school so
okay into Edward Sa what do you feel saying
Edward Sa ni age no or late 20s more late 20s but say ebia age na say that me sure that I'm from my no catch but more late 20s
bra
blase
45 when I say age
and I'm small late 20s but say bibi urban critical da dem ka say bia 28 29
anything better
na me say chidam from me credit so
da ube kan sa me bu
Devio na me say mi na botuma abotuna ya batam from Mariana
okay ni kase Edward Sa ni say ye humba bia oku school ba bia wo firi o mama no papa mo ti ase
mama me de nyame adoma on tiase
okay
but my papa tiase
okay
me adoma since am kana nyame adoma no minyim se bebi o wona de Yankopɔ ka no ho you understand
we school no you see we school we JHS we SS aden no wankopa adwuma nye no se wo be yenyo
since am enyo me de emi muso nyina no emi first phone am you see was Nokia 3310 through music no me we need am award no understand and maka de music ni ya dia emi de no nye passion me de ni calling
okay
nti baka de nyame adoma no ade a mi no munum hoda
munum
hoda because inyim kakra and then my uncle for them a central region and beyond. Munum Honda. Minimum, trust me, Kofu to cover billions of cities shall walk carry, but they are still working busy. What is keeping you going? What I say? The secret is maybe because I'm destined to do this, and this is my calling. Okay. Understand? And who say it doesn't mean there my investment to be but there I'm complement in office there. May but meeting office in part because of this ministry. Yes.
Until you square near you may be a street to live without you.
Yes.
Okay. Now you are being pound the starting.
Funded. Made started you made it professional in a day. Rebecca said we started 2008.
2008.
Yeah, for the I know that time them this year Kendabo, you understand? Okay. That time before me share Kendabo no double. Kofi be Kendabo. No, me a singer, but you know say when you are there, strong, you understand? To me this year no I say coaching kakra na me preach. Yes, no say na mo to me but I'm calling in teenage na preaching and all that them there. Young share one student, you share no, or they start human, you start papa. Until from there no, non-stop.
I then or rap on one for rapping, or not on some diversity by gospel.
That on Pomangas and poem. In a sense, Ghana Hano, Motumabo, one out, no, Abia Waye, secular music, and I will rap, you understand? Yamiad Maibia in the what room gospel and our can most of them obey even or converting power or do my singers or gospel with them. Never the made motor gospel and me a total worshipper. Ghana will be immune because of worship.
Okay.
You understand? Hint Manka some of the poem initially Montono. Na me sing and I'm a rapper.
Okay.
Why I mean that rap what no system no see and yamiado me yoko competition wo best vocalist in the mania that because man crabia the man the matter.
Okay. Because of say rapping no na because obi a rapping no as a rapper no man no said am pure mun jore be ye gospel no so be nya man adwo man.
Oh, trust me, sir. And they mean, sir, me for obiti say, and the Sopoku Jama, Shatawali Jana, Sakudi Jana, no way a mass, my one will be in Bibri.
Say, oh, that may be so. I don't be so me.
Ah, sent a baby so the man. Gospel, they bring a mayor. I said. On get the hip life on massa.
Oh, wow, I'm da.
Mankade onsio ate but me patcha de me malaka de bia me ja hip life number gospel dem remain yamba na awi others na me catch say o kan be ya menya wi a na kamuba down so na dem me hip life because dem ko fun won wo kite masters no because imagine na kwa me yuji aba na visa me di na jira bobo na ma di na jira.
Oh, say any day obi anu ope na mo so mo gospel no according to Bible no bransa na kasa kwa no bon dum nyam nti mo kasa no man mo hwe more than we no
imagine yeah clipper adase all mpo no che de hip life no when you manage gospel men kan gospel fu no wan wi
da bi ti wo mi to wo mi bi da
me wi
wadwe
no mi ya
wadwe
David Nana. Let me tell you, I can't remember Moko radio do. And I present and say, Minister, minimum the Basaya come about. Now, is an way the man the grand or can or consider but can I will use to create the mobile house me other than on fret, non academy in other than. And before God the man, Nakupo in the minimum. And if you community ma me ya da ma de na na community na ka te shoto ko konkofun po ba kai mechi
do ya na we
no me say konkofun ba kai mechi na yedwuma ya sisi amaka de emedwuma bebi a medu yi mentumi ya bone nsi atase na me yɛ damade na me senkan kofu ba kem atase and trust me say emi maka yo bia challenge bi damado in a sense kofu bebre wa from as their role model godfather and maka de minji gumu Ghana ha but minyim enkofu bebre a ma minyim ho a wo ye musical from godfather others and imagine a mijine wo yo say maka ye masam da ma di my mistake aba hwenkofu a wa be mi bobu you understand because obu ne me susun da others obi wo mpa onye no calling do about gospel but who da mame ye no ye na fente oda no so ye bi
okay
na temi mame ye a obo da oda na cross sign na echi tade me ye no me ye careful great man
okay atie for me ne Edward Sa na etwetwe nkomo no ye wura na brabo mu no pati ase ye gusu a ye din nkomo me Edward Sa na kasa oye gospel musician oba central region mankesim bia no wetin na compare no pati ase oye superstar ewo central region ena egusu a ye ne twetwem komo ewo Adwoaba TV bra fanyini epachu na nyomben ne di kan UP first
ade o mo ofanen one evangelist Edward Boatin na nyom bi ena me ye no cover me ye no cover I say ono mo to na me di bi hihim kakra I say mo ko program na mo to da me nyom na ena I say fans ni muntu yembo ne
ay sa nyo ne kakra
enti ya mesra menya mianesa o mami yo si jeni na mankwanko tadi obi kunu na nipa kra na kwanko bomitia enti ya mesra menya mianesa o mami yo si jeni kobne na mankwanko tadi obi kunu Nani pakra na famia ko Supreme Court sujeti ni pa bebre asai understand
ase sujedi no hono ase hono yode you say opa man for ire ko tare won
no
I didn't just sujan fu ase no
say time kere sujedi ni pa bebre asai se eminyim obi o yesu jeni a wakatele obi no ne yire ho a wa bo na wi wo de kunada you understand that woman yes
okay
nti e wo say eminyim o record
nti ndise central region mo abaji Edward Sa atum na enwumbe mpa biu na eba ya sisi unamba bia krakra mu se Edward Sa ni enyum
agi bebia no Ghana hane se wonyum fakakra enamo a wan won fawudi nan safro no wado enyum ne din no fro
enyum number o set so okay
agi bebia ena mo dunya attention kaka ewo ebia mankasa mede no that is Ajibibia and median nominations so awards be was central region and beyond and but what's mami more that is the current song on a bidinya nomination of western region western showbiz awards in the central region understand I mean free western region but based on the trend of the songs song no one inti what do you nominating you no
almost say nyom no enyo de sa Ajibibia no nyom no nyo de e young girl video o masori na say get it to you or to nyom na no fire na ni ba no so record no wato
okay moko Church of God Ghana Mankesim branch adasen and mo de so bi no nyumpo na say e bi afra bi no to nyom no wasori na mo fire na mo to impa ke the lead afra no mpo so you be no your bank be proud because obon de we shira mo no nyom mama dato others and makana Ghana hanan kasampu stars bebre aminyim ho motuma bobodin po bebre when one watch ro ho others
bi na de ma
o na meka semesi ntemi emi si obi accuse them de me wi anonyum pa yo wanya me ya others inshira kan ya me so yin de ade a mekana this my calling or my friend anyakopon dey from and you sure that yankopon ni more nti me ade a minwin bi a matwiro bi a se ebi akendabo na wo menchen a na ebi a chale yamfo wo yinchi ba me read the man kasa the man put them create made
okay
ata say emi obi ntwo anwom
nti Ajibibia na my freestyle
Eradia Puame, Wabami Dim Fufuro, what to me Puno, our we know who be you, Eradia Puame, Wabami Dim Fufuro. What to me Puna, our we know who be, O movie so about that bay. Ufihini, your friend is saying, she don't wait, dear, a G baby, movie so, or that bay.
What do you say? What do you say? Or South Saturn, I can down
yeah, can down over be.
Yeah, but bro, social media handles so far to ya.
Twitter, Sir Edward. Instagram, yes, Sir Edward. Facebook, Edward Sir. Yeah, nine.
Okay. Now,
YouTube, Edward Sir TV, yeah.
Edward Sir TV, YouTube. Miss Row, I did a wish I see ya. Nako YouTube, type it. Edward Sir TV, YouTube. Na subscribe. But I say, me no the video be a tuma while I wash a man. Because I'm in the Epsom combo. I was Central. Papa, yes, 2020. Senna, Central Ghana, word. Mankesim Omunhunu.
Medase, Nana. I look at it. Yes, started a crank, and go on leave. And 2020, you work in a year first tour, I with my team. Yakono Senegal and Gambia.
Okay. Yes, if you work on international.
Yes.
So Tindimko. No, you got no passport picture. Yeah, no Jaco. What I say.
And I that time no Bosona was in your busy. Able to my papa.
Okay. Until you can say, minute address and a trip common. In common, a bet for us to be. No, first day I had a year. Ya be twin komo won hu do esa na ho asen kakra ye be wuram deep ama won hu nemu a ekoso e wo edu esa na brabo mu papa na o se ase oba dabo hono utwitwa mamfo nanti obi kura ba na se obe record nyu tinka se nyu ye tan no ebono wati ase
fanan ame mi obia even some kita mic mpa mu hu da moto no ada emi obilo tumi mo na visa minkita maka na se program bo munka wa mo na ko tumi mu ataze da time mo hu mo da moto no an time mikita mic
okay
entisa obili tumi mo na obili ya na ibiro ya onye jida maka cho da dale ya na onye because male ya no ya mefe
okay
nti onye easy ebia mo advice bia maka cho challenge mu we dey challenge more fun to promote. Ebia sometimes you will be more awkward studio and over studio. When I add now why and on your crowd, but I mean, for me, right at the Macacho, the one you want because Obin, you more by it. Ghana Hanagasa, you might wash that young Casangasampo, and your man hated. Okay,
because me Casam Minumbi, I'm today and Koya, Panasio Bono, one year on a Cobra Abudia. The friends who are Budia, or come here, no more friends who are Budia. I say, I was poor in John the God, what you say. It was a son, I'm here, we didn't come on. Why are washing that?
David, no, I am a washing and send coming to
when you're washing that. No. This is what an hour get.
Me about me single. Yamia do my echo bush, your phone will be a come. On check.
Or so on your bow, Miss Rowe. When Casablanti record no more filmity, but only you while Finepo, Edward Sa or Bewari. So, this month, Yana. No, this year, but I understand. Oh, but go to me where this month were. It was a Yaboko torn up until everyone buys it. Was a quite Dallas the Bewari. Yeah, I'm going if I want it. Edward Sa, shall for on what time?
Michia, Obibia support it. Edward Sa Ministries and Ebaka said, on your work is in near. Because the major programs are 2019 programs are your queen posters I did that do billboards are my what the year total Makada on your one Kamundu them. Yes, because so one payment you ma and I won't pay Adia me ya and Kamundu the many nominations in book and Michia Church of God Ghana Mankasim, and even Ghana and beyond, and the churches are also support the dress ministries. But you say, first match, me launch me album.
Oh, okay.
Church of God Ghana Mankasim branch.
First match, yeah.
Yeah, host pastor, Reverend Jones Whiteni, yeah, my senior pastor.
Do you ever for your life or?
Yeah.
You wait for your life?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
We say Muina Mogoba and on easy, you understand? Program and Yabaka. No Central Region Gospel artists in obviously a lunch album because Central Region since I'm back at our Central Region Gospel in Amang Kalanchi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is a mayor met the name is a name of support or those are Brabonne or today or Chino be invited. Ebia or Nona was a motion market on me charge you back in the area
into your first match.
Yeah,
first match, yeah, ABCBA.
Yeah, first match, yeah.
First match, yeah.
Your balance chance, I got torn about 26 April.
Okay.
And Maka said, may invite the artists be brave. Our warba and Bimpo to be in to you.
You invite me and to me on there.
My friends, Mama about to, but you would do my canal to don't worry.
Okay. I give for new dress. What do you say? You didn't come on. Or on better night. What do you say? Oh, not bring it, you know. Well, what do you come here to get craving? What do you say? But you do Mike and say,
no, say Kita Michael. You would do Mike and the better would do no. I think you money at that do.
Ah, okay. I watch money. Matters almost always no feature. I mind your whatever boy. Or say on you. Many Popazo, the Mazin Bunker, Padamaka, Mimo catch, but issue or issue at the Yaki Chuma, Buna, Bazis Yam, put it over the Yasa, yeah, come up, Bibia, but or ye issue, no, yet. I mean, my happy, but ish, as some Nanka but ye say, what's mammy boy, the other YouTube, I release it. Nanko, ono that or vocals BBR. Mokwea engineer from Dawson when you voice in you. Are they?
Not more too good in another day rehearsals, no other or two. Yeah, that about.
I'll call you for bonnie.
Oh, no, you pabon.
Oh, any paboni?
Manto or Nankasanano, Mitsu engineer now.
Okay.
And you know, I don't TV for you no koto. Atasi. Oh, you. But Oba now, you need voice in film. Oh, no. Only some of the banting and the voice in you. Atasi. You share your program, BBR Kama. But Obia goes, maybe women me to be adding to voice, which means, no, so there maybe say, hey, no one can win. Say the same Kobisa, so me, I don't know. An engineer also, you'll be a new road manager, no. Okay. At least if you're serious, if you are or Casa, on your non Casa. What I say? And this is business. Yes, a benching fees who has ever catch. Yes, okay. And as some engineer catch, no, what's the bubble boy heating be? Engineer, and I'm not kind. What's the bubble boy heating in this? Oh, my, yeah, there was my member room, Ebiana, on your bubble number 5. I want to say, oh, money below. I had the brave. Oh, no. I had the brave. Because I didn't be hitting, so carry be hitting. Name me 180, I'm also from voice and hater. Why the make up for no voice I hate? Until I'm sitting and say, what future was one yet simple. No, oh, yeah. No more winning voice if you. Oh, no, see, no. I am mystery, the mystery behind in Ankasano, Mamma Teen, Emete, minimum manager call, engineer now, oh, yeah, and you know. No, you mean on a manager in a year road manager. In a Yoko Academy, the man evangelist Seleka, there, and your man own to move funny voice in the mammy view. No voice in poor and shut down from future being you. No, Kofu be a sick for future. But trust me, I'm an evangelist, the whole central region. Emina Yabakane outside Fosu. And outside Ascend district, and you'll be on your papa. Adiase.
No san yo sade no.
O say bobo be hit na nkasa na emi no sebro ye ko program ayeto me nyina perform wo stage asana nyoma na nkasa babe oboko record wo studio to no onyim Adiase onyim no onyim ma Yakopo adom sebro on no recommend mo ma Adom TV.
Oh okay.
There Moba Central Regional obi a mo botum nyina to program no da e botum ye pull some gofu bi e do sa enti ohono emimi mo hwa da mad na wa ye ni na mu de no bibi wo mu a oda metena menyina tena sana nkaza na ye din komo na bia
gofu bi ngwa hye
yes e bia bibi lu koda man kasa mbo menya we ata because imagine obi a wa Adom TV from nankasa wa frame
the more links
ata as in say the man in tiba the pan no ba no voice na within 1 minute obeye free. You understand? Nti oye issue nti pate de engineer no so no oye ne then you na ba hit wa bra na go so bo beat no ade nti great man the masam no me peda mo ko
ma ya fanto subscribe to me YouTube ni sise ya wate ase part 2 no e be di san komo no na wa hu ba bi efi ne ba mbese me kwakwa twin sensim ya ba ne sensim so be wura mu ate ase ya chiachi mu nyina me chia madofo ne matamfo nyina Edward Sacha o yera ne chia no nyine
father me ye na de ne din asantum ya bakande nyamebo first match e wo Church of God Ghana as of Paying Jones right eni odano so for Kwame odano maka na me invite to be pure Ghana upper ministry do sa and trust me say ye at your friend worship na me dan Yakopo be page na sa wo osori mu maka say me invite to be pure Central Region all your gospel music and Ghana owa in follow me anywhere me sira we de me sira me pocho bo support wunua bo support wo ba bo support wo fast no na bibia nya kama and maka say album no say ya to the grace album yes enti bo ha ade afa na adome de Yankopon bodo mi
so be grace
yes
yeah
enti Yankopon nkanyi na yakoma e be sa face camera
yeah be
what to be you understand e be so abo support mi ministry Yankodo and Church of God Ghana no baby o nje kan ya me do nya yira kwanyo e wona makasi du ejumako station kasa pe estate car is the catcher driver na mesi wo JD filling station nechi ana wala du wo pa bi so bi da me Church of God asore onyo papa ati hase and even say bia wo Central Region na enyimi ite ehwade nkwa asore ana pede ohoso na every Sunday bia mo kwa asore
okay
yes every Sunday bia so moto no
okay
nti bra na bibia anya fan I believe say ba you experience true power of God and nyamia sama akrojin a bibia mfiri Yakopo nhia
but why advert you me ya ka me discount no why advert mfacho mumforo Edward Sa mame Central Gospel Atisia oha mumforo no mame na mumforo na asore no so Church of God Ghana Church of God Ghana na kriya na me fa me se me kubia wati ase me kramuni afi na me be kwa sorry wati ase me chia me crew roll it on mine wati ase me chia the breast crew me chia me ankasa me ba international blogger ajibo wati ase they don't know friend Spicy G wati ase follow no Instagram Spicy G Instagram wati ase ni follow am the breast crew Instagram ni follow Edward Sa so Bibia also for class or
Facebook yeah Facebook me should I my but
a chance na ka never interview but church when na me chama do form atan nyina ya dase ono mensa
ensam munum bida yes
nse onum wiso
munum wida
asra so
Debbie
ochi
asra the snuff no but insanity musano na mo be 5 years ena mekezi bi no papa tonsa ono na I say insano yehu na afrana kese yehu de insu de ye obi ayim de insu de wonom na cap kase but obi aba no obo so won obo to insu de yim de o discuss na ebi aska kete na wodo to nsu but wonu nsu na woto no oye kete nsu wo discuss na wodo to na so ye emra no ye mi nsu awono mo so wonye mbasa ono wodo no yeti ne ebi nsu paani enti eyi si wo fie ho na papa ni fi wo no kene emina mekaji ya da nsu ye bonu mi ahwe kada mi kase ya si ye bonu mi ahwe no ya da ye ite adeche be 3 days sorry because it was a yanu ma de ni wie you na no nsu yo different no mo hihye ye hwe na ichi ada dan na osi dam no e dan ni le besi dam
ese mo ni su twa
ade ye kwa ye nuda no de ye na ye pe baby da great man kofu wo na bre na ya bre ya bu so
mabo
ada ka
fili kono wonno mi sabi
yes mun da mun su wede mimu na wonno mai
fili ko be si se do sa wonno mi sabi akoho wonno bi obu a wonno so de dabu ne nam nti ube no dabu mpode sade David uga waka se kakra dabu nya sofo yes I know
ena dabu nya sofo and ebia dabu munka de mun hu da wonno msada but double nya sariam for
oyesi o bi oyesi
o debi o menka de ti double no sound gini o
minim sa
so Ghana te mim Ghana sound gini bia ono rubo bi ti na no numi double onya drugs onya da bad no on anything if you slow from put double drink
but amuso ko studio wa o tin chika chiro se wo de wo show wa wo ye do sha tuto to bini fabra
okacha artist na
artist bi oran kasa no interview oran kasa se
double you sound engineer gospel artist ekuku da ma wo ga na bebre npo double no produce no na maka ne double you bi a ebe na mfi se leyan sa na le doctor otumi wo tina wo tufo
okay
ara emi maka na samenye double na ma na kebi amundu da ma na ada me yimponyo original
okay
ono ebi ohun na me ko direction bi otum keten edi ohun na le de mi ne ofa ne emuso mi nyede ada se bro awu mali ye obi bakene na owu pa na le de mi ne emuso mi tede ada se wojimi so no bo be yempo owo bo protect unti emi so far mu obi a wa be studio wa da bo aka chende o numbibi anaka shiwa na ada se no obompo na agbo a nevi iya mistake obada wager because obumu de in serious
okay na I nyonto adrum
enyomoto do you know something abrabon dia maka say I believe in everything emi meka cho de bibi anyima and I da menye real ha mu do bi atu eduru no bi da but ade owo din bia wo
okay
mat de eduru mat but emu bi da na muhu edun da lekaje iya ma mususin da edun na lekaje no lekaje de wonzen ya de ata se anada lekaje de nyum na loto no nkofu onye nkofu de anada nyum na hete ata se na maka de nyum de ya de a oye de ata se nyum onye de krachi nyum onye de hu do onye de
enye de ye ne de
onfo wo de eduro enti nyum se dam na oya nanka Ghana akonfa wo TV dia wo be yiske kuina nka wa singers ke beat to country music beat to blues ni beat to ya sokona ade understand nti maka de ebia nyimpa na wa hit na hit but onye duro no na hit no ya
okay for number to ja ebia bi hians for program ebia opese o future one track so na ebia o hians ebia like obi hiawa sibia be bo show man be program man and opese o future wa for number be no on free factory jama
number ni 2 pe ebia pada nyama kasa so chat so onu ye 0241 62 72 73 febia epeda nyim din komo for ebia friends ni anade afutu sembi one ebia peda nyim din komo ebia musumission kren that is 0241 627273 but for programs and for future in the freaking double that is 0549 632318 0549 632318. Yes.
Atiefoɔ edore sana megusa me di nkɔmɔ no.
Subscribe to Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV.
Ajoba TV. Subscribe. CCR.
Ajoba TV. Challenge ye boy.